So in this video, we're going to do some hypnosis. So a lot of you wanted me to hypnotise you with the pocket watch. So here it is. The pocket watch. Something hypnotic about a pocket watch, I think. So, if you don't want to be hypnotised, then probably don't watch this video. If you do want to be hypnotised, then make sure you find a nice, comfortable seat or bed or wherever you want to watch it, and just allow yourself to feel that hypnosis. Just allow yourself to feel hypnosis going all around your body. If you allow yourself to feel it, you're going to feel it. Okay? Good. So if you're ready and you are completely calm, you're in a lovely space right now, sitting comfortably, then listen to my voice and be hypnotised by me. Right. Now what I want you to do is I want you to focus. Just focus now on this pocket watch. Just really focus on the pocket watch. So come a little bit closer. As you focus on the pocket watch now, I'm just going to swing it. You're just going to keep focusing on that pocket watch. As it swings, keep focusing, keep focusing, keep focusing, left and right, backwards and forwards, just like that. As you focus, you're going to notice your eyes are getting heavier and heavier and heavier. Now, I just want you to allow your eyes to close right now and open them up again. As you allow your eyes to open up again, just keep following the pocket watch. Left to right, left to right. Good. Keep following the pocket watch. And notice as you're following the pocket watch, your eyes getting heavier, heavier, and heavier, and heavier down. Now. Good. Now just close your eyes again and open them again. Good. Now keep watching the pocket watch once more. Keep watching. Keep watching it go left and right. And notice it's really hard now as your eyes are really getting heavier and heavier and heavier down. Now. Good. And when you're ready, just close your eyes down. Now. Good. I just want you to feel that hypnosis now, going from the top of your head, going down your forehead, going into your eyes. I want you to focus on your eyes right now and just notice them going loose, limp, lazy, going more relaxed right now as your eyes are getting tighter and tighter together. They're feeling that relaxation going through your eyes right now, making them go really, really heavy. And I just want you to feel that hypnosis now running down your face and going into your neck, going into your shoulders right now, and down your body, going into your legs and through your feet. Just imagine like there's a whirling light of hypnosis now, relaxing every muscle and every fibre now. As you just focus purely on my voice right now. And as you focus on my voice, just notice now all the pressure, all the tension, all that you've been holding on to the last few days, weeks, months, years. It's just coming out of your body right now. With every breath you're taking right now, it's releasing tension, releasing pressure. As you drift and drain into your hypnosis now. And you feel that lovely sense of hypnosis because you like to feel that hypnosis going through you because it feels amazing. It feels relaxing. It feels calm. to just let go of all that negativity you've been holding on to. Just allow it to let go now. Good. Just feel that calm. Feel that clarity coming into your mind as you let go. Negativity you don't need anymore. In that lovely deep state of hypnosis, that lovely deep state of trance. And the deeper you go, the better you feel. The deeper you go, the better you feel. Good. You're just going to feel so good about yourself. With everything you let go of, you're just going to feel so good. You're going to feel positive about yourself in the next few days, weeks, months. That positivity is going to shine through you more and more and more. You're going to feel happy, full of love, full of joy and full of happiness in the next few days, few months. Good. Now when you're ready, only when you're ready, you can feel absolutely good about yourself. I want you to open your eyes and feel absolutely brand new and feel good. You just done that little hypnosis to make you feel good about yourself. Good. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I'm glad you liked the little pocket watch. More videos like this to come. Thank you.